Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Right, I'm going to be using this mould today. As you can see, it's a pebble mould, stone, rock mould, whatever you want to call it. I got it from Temu. I'm going to be using Ecoresin with it, and we're going to be making some candlesticks, hopefully. I've never done this before, so I'll go and get some Ecoresin mixed up and we'll make a start, shall we? Ecoresin is mixed up. I've mixed up 300 grams of the powder and 105 grams of the water. Now I've just coloured it. I want different variations of grey for this one, and I'm going to do one in like creams. I've used Jesmonite black pigment, just a tiny drop. Oh, and look what I've done. Let's get that off. There we go. And all I'm going to do is pour it in for now. There we go. I'm hoping 300 will do all three of them, but we shall see. And like I say, I want different gradients of the colour, so I will be making some more. I'll scrape everything out of here. Like I say, this was just an idea I had. I didn't know whether it could be done, but we shall try, won't we? There we go. Now I'm going to pop these on my vibration plate for a couple of minutes. I might just mix a bit more up for those, and I'll be back with you. Right, let's get them out, shall we? It's been about an hour. Oh, aren't they lovely? They're really sweet. Very nice. Oh, that one's still wet. There we go. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to make them in different, like I said, in different shades of the grey. That's all I'm going to do. And once I've made them all, I will come back and we can start arranging them. Right, I'm going to do the cream ones, and exactly the same again, except I've mixed up. I've got 125 grams of water here, and I'm going to put a tiny bit of yellow in, and I mean a tiny bit. I don't want it yellow. There we go. And a tiny bit of resin cream brown. Two drops. Give that a good stir. And hopefully that's enough. Right, and I'm going to use 350 grams of the powder. I'm going for a bit of a sandstone colour. Right, let's bring these in. Same as last time, just pour. On the vibration plate they go, a couple of minutes, and I'll be back for demould. Right, let's see the colour of these. Oh, lovely. That's wet spots, because it's caused by, I've noticed, I didn't know at first, it's caused by wet spots in the mould. So when you clean them, make sure you dry them thoroughly, which I haven't. I mean, it doesn't matter, they're being stacked. But, you know, if it's a piece that's going to be seen, that's a nice colour. Going to make a few more of these, and then I will be back. Right, Got two of my favourite coaster molds. I've mixed up 300 grams of Ecoresin and I've coloured it in the corresponding colours to the stones, and all I'm going to do is pour it. They are going on the vibration plate, but I'll give them a few taps and we'll let them cure. Right, here are all the pebbles all done. Looking lovely, I might say. Not a great variation in colour, but that's okay too. Right, got a bit of Ecoresin here. I'm just going to mix it up in a similar colour. I've left it quite runny. Don't want it too thick, for the reason is when you put uncured Ecoresin that you've just mixed on cured Ecoresin that's unsealed, as soon as you put it on, this piece will soak all the water, so it goes very, very dry quickly. I don't want to seal it because I want it to stick. I want it to go into that. So, right, well, we'll start with this one. Now, I've got a nail file here, and all I'm going to do is, just in that centrepiece, just scratch the surface a little. And we're just going to pop a bit on. A decent amount. If there's any excess, we can get it off later. And then we put the next one on. And I've got a spirit level. And I'm going to balance it and try and get it as straight as possible, just by pushing certain areas down. And I'm just going to do that to all of them. I'll speed you up for this. I won't be using my usual wax to seal this. I'll be using Hydroflow from Ecoresin resins. It's a sealer for Hydroflow and Ecoresin. So I'm just going to put, I'm not going to spray it on, just going to pop a bit in here. Don't need a great lot, a bit more perhaps. Now, you're not, so when you're putting this on, you can put it on with a brush or a sponge. I'm going to be using one of these pads. And you've not to let it well up. So don't overdo it. So we'll seal it all the way around. And you have to allow it to dry for, say, 1 to 2 hours. And then apply it again. Give it a second coat. I'm just going to put this on all over, allow it to dry, give it a second coat. I'm going to get in them nooks and crannies with a paintbrush. So once it's dry, I'll be right. These are all stuck now and all varnished, not varnished, sealed twice. I've put foam on the bottom, grey on the bottom of that, just so they sit nice. Now, the thing from Temu came, but it's too big. Look at that, it's massive. I honestly thought I'd bought the small one. See, and I was gonna, as a small one, put that one on the bottom and then perhaps one on the top, but it is too big. It's very nice, Can't wait to use it. But these are really pretty, and they really look like stones. Obviously the colour's not stones, but they're lovely. It's got a nice satin finish. That the Hydroflow sealer, this is my favourite. I love the grey one. So until I can find something stone shaped that's flat, or perhaps make another stone and sand it down, this is going to be it. Filthy candle. So I'll just see, it sits on top, but I don't know whether I'd trust it or not. It sits better on one side, so on the side, but I don't know whether I'd trust it. But until I can find something, because I did make these and it ruins the whole aesthetic of it, doesn't it? So tea lights it is. Tea lights it is that's going on the top there. But I'm really chuffed with them. They're very, very nice. Can't wait to display that one. I won't be displaying the cream one. But the grey, yes, fabulous. Right, I'm going to take some photos. I'll take them with the candles on and off and see what everybody thinks. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.